So the next trick we're going to work on is called punching bags. This is a hard one. It takes a lot of practice. It's actually based off of hop the fence. So if you didn't learn hop the fence, go back, take a look at that trick. Hop the fence anyways, it looks like this. You're throwing. The yo-yo is going down over your hand, repeating this motion over and over again. Like I said before, when you throw it, it's good to kind of start at a little bit of an angle for hop the fence. And when you throw this, it's coming right over your hand. You're directing it out like so, and just repeatedly making this motion. Go look at the hop the fence video. I think I have some more tips in there to help you with that. Make sure you get that strong. The next movement, though, for punching bags is it's going to be an extreme movement with your hand. It's almost like you're punching. I think that's probably where it gets its name. And as you're moving, it's like a hop the fence, but you're punching your hand out a little bit more each time. The trick itself looks like this. It starts with the hop the fence down below, and you learn to raise it up. It's just kind of like a raised hop the fence. And you can see my hand making this shooting up motion. It starts a little bit lower, and eventually it shoots up to create that punching motion. You want the yo-yo just above your shoulder. That's where you're going to have the best control.